Just talk. It's making a video. Just talk. Say whatever you want to say. You just want to say cheese? We're not taking a picture. We're taking a video.
Oh.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you talk? Can you sing?
Cool as chili.
Now Can you sing Old MacDonald Had a Farm? And on that farm he had some E-I-E-I-O with a quack quack and a quack quack.
That's me.
Is that you?
That's me.
Who else?
That's me.
Who else is on there?
That's me.
Who else?
That's me.
Who's that?
That's me.
That's not you. Who's that?
That's me.
That's not you. Your name's Sasha now?
That's me. Yeah.
Oh, okay, Sasha.
That's me.
What else are you gonna sing? What else are you gonna sing? What else can you sing? Can you sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider?
No.
Yeah, you can.
No.
The Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the water spout. What happened? You're silly. Don't shoot that. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it away. I'm gonna eat it.
No.
Where did you get that?
I bought it for my birthday.
You bought it for your birthday. You did. I thought Ricky got that yesterday with his haircut.
That's Ricky's.
What's Ricky's? This?
That's Ricky's.
This pen? No, that's Mommy's.
That's my pen.
This one? That's Mommy's.
That's my pen.
That's my Riley.
That's my Sasha.
Is that your Sasha? But who does Anthony get?
Come here.
You want to get down?
No.